In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Shopify to Wave using Zapier. To begin, head over to your Zapier dashboard. It is important to note that to use Shopify in any integration, you must have a paid Shopify plan. Without a paid plan, you cannot integrate Shopify with any app. Once you are on your Zapier dashboard, hover over the plus icon on the left-hand side of your screen and click on it. From the options that appear, click on Zaps. Next, you need to select the apps for your integration, starting with the trigger app. In this case, the trigger app is Shopify. Click on Shopify and, if necessary, search for it in the search box to select it. After selecting Shopify, you will need to choose the trigger event, which determines the type of data you want to import from Shopify to Wave. Click on the Choose an Event box and select the event you want. For this example, I will select New Paid Order, which triggers the workflow whenever an order is paid. After selecting the trigger event, you need to connect your Shopify account. Click the Sign In option and ensure that you are using the same browser for Shopify, Wave, and Zapier. You will be prompted to enter your Shopify store ID, which can be found at the end of your store's URL. Copy this ID, return to Zapier, paste it in the pop-up window, and click Yes, Continue to Shopify. Then click Continue from the right-hand side of the screen. The next step allows you to test your trigger. To do this, you must have at least one order in your Shopify account. Click Test Trigger to see if any previous orders appear. In my case, I do not have any orders, so I will click Skip Test. After this, it is time to select the Action app, which in this case is Wave. Select it, and then choose the Action event. Since our trigger is a new paid order, the corresponding action will be Record Sale. Sign into your Wave account to connect it with Zapier, then click Continue. You will now need to configure the fields for the Wave action. If you have multiple businesses in Wave, select the appropriate business. Next, all relevant fields related to the sale transaction will appear, such as sale date, description, and sale amount. Click the plus icon in each field to select the appropriate data from Shopify. For the sale date, select the date the order was created. For the description, you can use fields like the customer's email or address. Enter the total price of the product in the sales amount field. Then select an income category from the available accounts in Wave. Any field marked with a red asterisk is essential. Finally, select the payment deposit account, such as a checking account. Once all fields are configured correctly, click Continue. You can optionally test a transaction to ensure everything works. Keep in mind that Wave only accepts real transaction data, so test data will only appear if real orders exist. Once testing is complete, click Publish and your Zap will be active. From this point onward, data will transfer automatically from Shopify to Wave based on the trigger you configured. And this is how you can connect Shopify to Wave using Zapier.